I often get asked, what broker do you use to make your trades? Well, the answer is, in the short term, I use Interactive Brokers. But I think, from my knowledge of other people that are using WeiBull and Robinhood, now both WeiBull and Robinhood have easy to use interfaces, and it's very easy to get started. And they both claim that there's no commission rates to buy and sell stocks. Bob Sharp has a YouTube channel, and he's reviewed WeiBull, and there's countless other videos out there that review the Robinhood application, pros and cons, so you can catch those videos. But suffice it to say is that for a beginner, WeiBull and Robinhood are two easy applications to get into. I have not used it because I've been using Interactive Broker for many, many years. Interactive Brokers is a piece of software and a broker that a lot of professionals use. It's capable of handling large orders, and it's worldwide. It says it has the lowest trading cost of any of the brokers out there, and their margin rates are the lowest, and the ability to, if you will, recommend them to others. They have different programs where you get some kickbacks. I travel to Europe and Indonesia, China, and so having a worldwide network, it's very helpful. It has a robust trading platform I'll show you in a minute, and it also has a mobile app, which I'll show you as well. There's lots of free stuff out there, and there's a lot of stock information, more stock information that you get with that you get with other brokers. Now, one thing you do get with WeiBull and Robinhood is you get some free stocks when you enter, and if you put nothing but $100, then you get. It's an easy way to get started. Now, this is a comparison of Interactive Broker and WeiBull, and you can see that overall rating is a 5-star versus a 3.5 for WeiBull. The commission fees are about the same. A wide range of investments, option packages. You can trade a lot of different instruments with Interactive Broker. Yes, you both have mobile trading, and I find that the Interactive Brokers, it's a little harder. The research, extensive research, as I just mentioned, and there's some tutorials out there. Now, the ease of use, I agree with this. Interactive Broker, both the Windows version, desktop version, and the mobile is a little harder to use. And you can see a lot of the fees are about the same. The margin rates are lower here on Interactive Broker versus WeiBull, and the account fees are pretty similar. Options, you can check up to 8 legs versus 4. It's meaningless if you don't do options, but 4 legs that will allow you to do a iron condor in various different orders. Heat mapping. Well, I'm not familiar with that, so I'm going to have to. It's not part of this video either, but I'm going to have to check that out. I'll show you some charting features. I have traded in the past with Interactive Brokers, but I pretty much just swing trade throughout the day, and don't try to do any kind of trading or futures trading that much. Now, going to the Interactive Broker, there's lots of things you can do on the desktop. Very robust. You can have different watch lists. Currently, I have a position of 20 shares in Cisco, which is losing about $15. The total that I'm losing is about $43. The changes that are the bid and the ask price. And if I want to add, all I have to do is click there, change the number of shares that I want to buy, change the limit price, bid and ask, and transmit it. Lots of ways of making a purchase. You can actually do it from the chart. So you can add studies to it. We're going to add the RSI. I'll make that a 4. MACD. Keep the settings. And the stochastics RSI. Where is that at? Right there. Keep the same settings there. Okay. This is 5-minute bars. Let's go to let's go 2 months in daily. And there you go there. And let's go 1 year in daily. Perfect. So if you were going to buy with the RSI below the 30, there's a buy there, maybe a buy there, maybe a buy there, and this would have been, and then you could do a buy right from the chart. Yeah, right here. We're going to cancel it. Yeah, the buy right there. You can transmit it or cancel it. So you can buy and transmit them down here as well. And you can change it, your bid and ask there. So a lot of flexibility. Another thing I want to show you that's really cool, and I use this a lot, is the Option Strategy Lab. And what you can do here is you can take a stock like eBay, choose an option price, let's say June 18th, and assuming that there's the eBay price over here, we're not going to say it's going to drop because, well, I've been saying this morning that it was going to go up, so it's going to go up, and let's just say 5%. Here, we only want credit spreads, okay, so that's the neat thing about that. It gives you the bull put spread, the margin needed, the maximum profit and loss, so we can choose that, a bull put spread, and hoping it'll go up to there, and you get $3.47, and you can change that, put it down to the mid, and what you're saying is that at June 18th, the price of eBay will be higher than 60, and 60 is right there. So do you think by June 18th, the stock will be trading in this area here? Well, based on the theory of the gap fill, I do. I think it's going to be trading up there. But so you could do this option here where you would have to put in, the margin impact will be $1,000, but that's $10 wide strikes, and you'll get $358 back. You could lose $653, and the probability of profit is about 73%. It looks good. Anyway, I use this a lot to find some credit spreads that are profitable, that return a decent return. And if there's none, it'll tell you that. So as you get more experienced, you can use this tool, and it's very, very helpful. I like it. There's a daily lineup screen, which will give you what's happening with the market. The S&P's probably down a little bit. Here's the economic calendar and the results, the headlines. Janet Yellen expects inflation to occur, so interest rates will probably go up. And she says it's to slow down the booming economy. I don't know. I got to figure it out. These are the earnings over here, and these are some of the stocks upgrades and downgrades. BA, upgrade. One of the subscribers is interested in BA. I work for BA, Boeing. All right, and this is some of the tools you can use on the desktop, but let me just briefly show you the mobile, which a lot of times I place my option spread trades or my trades using my mobile device. And pretty much everything you can do on the desktop, you can do on the mobile device. The screen and charting, option tools, adding money and subtracting money, sending money. Oh, I never tried this. Check deposit using your cell phone. I haven't tried this. Use this every single day. That's authenticate. It's your IB key. You have to have it's a dual authentication, so it's very secure. And I should have mentioned this before. They do have, at no cost, paper trading accounts on both the mobile and the desktop, so you can actually use it. There's no limit to it either. I used it for almost 6 months before I actually put some money in. Again, there's YouTube videos on Interactive Brokers and the mobile app, but these are the watch lists. Use them every single day. Orders, use this every single day. There's another video on using the Google phone, Android. There's both iPhone and Android. Again, the watch list, various different things you can do. You can look at your portfolio. You can look at your order ticket. You can look at your account and see what your balances are, how many day trades you have left. You can look at your orders and trades. This is what you'll see if you do look at your portfolio. It shows you the stocks, the percentage of change. You can do alerts. Anyway, pretty much anything you can do on the desktop, you can do on the mobile app. And there's one last reason why I use Interactive Brokers, besides the cost, besides the fact that it's a pro version, professional platform, is that I use a program called Omnibroker. Let me show it to you. I have Omnibroker working on the Amazon cloud, so that when I travel, I can access the cloud and have all my work located where I can access it, and I can use a lower powered PC or laptop to access it. And all the processing power is in the cloud. Anyway, there's a program here. It's called Omnibroker, and you can actually program it to do different things, and you can write a automatic trading program that connects with Interactive Broker, and it has a plugin that connects it automatically so that you can actually make trades from your program. Your program can tell it when to buy, when to sell, when and analyze it on the fly, and you can auto trade some of your stocks. Now, I tried auto trading about 3 or 4 years ago and lost a lot of money because I wasn't ready to go. The program wasn't ready to go. It stopped working. There's a lot of various different things about auto trading. It's not all rosy and good. I'm a computer programmer, so I was really attracted to it. But now, for my investing, in fact, because I'm a small investor, there's no need for me to do auto trading. I can go look at my investments 1 or 2 or 3 times a day and do quite nicely. So I like the fact that Omnibroker, which is a program and software that I use for many, many years to write programs and do my charting and things, connects well with Interactive Broker. So those are 3 reasons: cost, robustness, the margin rates, and the fact that it connects with Omnibroker, which is a chosen analytical tool that I use to analyze my trades. Well, this answers the question: what program do I use what broker do I use to place trades with it in its Interactive Broker? This is charts. You can trade from the charts. You can trade from the list screen. I'm still losing about $40, but I have other investments out there. I don't want to show you the whole thing, and I'm trying to be careful about not showing you my account number as well. So so I think you have to ask yourself: am I just getting started? If you are just getting started and don't have all the tools and don't have all the programming capability, I would go with Robinhood or WeiBull. Get yourself started. Get yourself a place in a seat at the table and start trading. And as you become more mature, you may want to do your own programs. You make your own bot that go out and trade and make $1 million. You may want to do some day trading and stuff where you can trade from the actual screen. You may want to do a lot of option trading. Then you'll need a better product, I believe. And Interactive Brokers is that broker for me, because I've been trading for, like I say, 20 years or more, and I've been using Interactive Brokers since around 2001, somewhere in that area. I have to look exactly, but it's almost 20 years with Interactive Broker, and almost that long. 2003, I'm pretty sure it was around 2003 or 4, Omnibroker. So these things are. I'm not changing horses in the midstream. I'm moving on. I'm a little older, so I'm just not going to change horses. I hope this helps. Hope you make a decision. What broker to use? Please let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Catch you on the flip. I use Interactive Broker as my broker.